Good morning students. Today we will study again chapter 7 whole and parts decimal subtraction. Subtraction. Today we study the subtraction. How to subtract the decimal numbers first. 25.48 subtract 25.48 from 50. Look here, subtract 25.48 from 50. Then which word come here? From come here. Therefore, you write the 50 right in first. Which is 50 right in first. We write 50. Then you look here. There is no decimal place here. There is no decimal place. Then you look at this number, second number, here 2 decimal place. Therefore, you put a decimal point, a decimal, then you write 2 zeros. Understand you? There is no decimal place here. First you put decimal, then you write 2 zeros. How you give 2 zeros? Therefore, here 2 decimal place. Then next 25.48. Now this number is like a decimal. Now you subtract this number. 8 take away from 0. This is possible? No. You take a borrow. Then here also 0. You come here. This also 0. You take here. This cut 4, this cut 9, this cut 9, this cut 10. Then 8 take away from 10, you get 2. 4 take away from 9, you get 5. Then point also you put. Then 5 take away from 9, you get 4. Then 2 take away from 4, you get 2. Our answer is 24.52. Next, $238.569 minus 114 minus 3. Look here. Then first you write this number. This is bigger number. You write 238.569. Then you write 114.3. There is 1 decimal place. How many zero you extra put here? 2 zeros put. Then subtract this number. Then 0 take away from 9, you get 9. 0 take away from 6, you get 6. 3 take away from 5, you get 2. Then you put a decimal. Then 4 take away from 8, you get 4. 1 take away from 3, you get 2. Then 1 take away from 2, you get 1. Our answer is 124.269. Now, 2.08 minus 0.56. Listen, first you write 2 minus 0.8 minus 0.56. Then 6 take away from 8, you get 2. 5 take away from 0. This is possible? No. You take borrow this cut 1 here 10. Now 5 take away from 10, you get 5. Then point 0 take away from 1, 1. Understand this? Then another question. Find the difference. Find the difference. Listen. 4.38 and 10.56. Our question is find the difference. Difference find. First 4.38 and 10.56. Which number is greater? Only you look the which part? Whole number part. Here whole number part is 10. Here 4. Which is greater number? This number is greater. There you write 10 minus 5, 6 minus 4.38. Understand you? Here which number is greater? You write the first, you write in greater number. Then now you minus this. 8 take away from 6. This is possible? No. This cut 4, this cut 16. Then now you 8 take away from 16, 8. 3 take away from 4, 1. Then point. Then 4 take away from 0. This is possible? No. You cut this 10. Then 6. What is your answer? 6.18. Another question. 0.78 and 0.98. Look here. Both are whole number part, both numbers are in 0. Now, you look the decimal place. Then 10th place here, here 7, here 9. Which is greater? This number is greater. Now you write this number 0.98, then 0.78. Now you subtract this number. Then 8 take away from 8, 0. Then 7 take away from 9, 2.0. You understand this? Then next question. Subtract 9.03 from 11.48. Again, which word come here? From. Which number first you write? This number first write. 11.48 minus 9.03. Then subtract this. Then again 3 take away from 8, 5. 0 take away from 4. 9 take away from 11, 2. Answer is 2.45. Then solving the problems. Then Seema purchase a book 4 rupees 250.45. She gives the shopkeeper, she gives rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. How much? How much rupees return back from the shop? Listen. Seema purchase a book. Seema purchase a book for rupees 250.45. She gives rupees 500 to the shopkeeper. Then how much rupees return back from the shopkeeper? First, cost of solution, cost of book. Cost of book is rupees 250.45. She gives to the shopkeeper. Money she gives to the shopkeeper. Money she gives to the shopkeeper. Is equal to rupees 500. Then how much money is left? Then money left, money returned back. From the shopkeeper. Is equal to 500 minus rupees 250.45. Here we write 500 minus 250.45. There is no decimal place here. You put then subtract this number. Then 5 take away from 0, this is possible? No, you get 5. You take borrow here 9, here also 9, here also 9, here 10. Then 4 take away from 9, you get 5. Then decimal. 0 take away from 9, you get 9. 5 take away from 9, you get 4. Then 2 take away from 4, you get 2. Our answer is 249.55 rupees. Understand you? This is the subtraction of decimal. Now here end the chapter. You do the question 2 A to D, question 3 A to D of exercise 7.7. Thank you.